Now that you have started this course, I hope you will practice HTML. But how will you practice in the given environment, whether it is Windows or Mac? So let's say you have a Windows, you would probably go with creating a file here. Uh, that's how Windows people do. But in the Mac world, we always go with the editor, whatever editor it is. So let's say here I'm going with editor Visual Studio Code. I'll go with new text file. Now this new text file, I'll try to save it here, or using command save shortcut or control save in Windows. Now I got my folder. So in this folder, I'm gonna do a sample.html. So the file is created. So if you were in a Windows environment, you might probably go by doing like right click, new, create text file, and then you might change the name to sample.html. So that's how you would do in Windows. So the file is created here. This is your HTML file. Now inside the file, we can make those changes to the content. So we don't have any content now, so we have I will just go and write a simple HTML code. So this should be enough. Now this can be called as a HTML file now. So I've created a file. I could do a command S or a control S or a save. So you could do that. So this file is saved. Now this file is saved. Now this file stores in your hard disk. Think about that. Now this file stores in your hard disk. Open with Google Chrome. Okay. So when you do that, Google Chrome is gonna look at the code. It is gonna see there's a HTML opening tag and there's a closing opening tag. So it understands that this is a web page. Now if I put a body, then body, this is a HTML file, and I do that and save it, I have to refresh it again, because whatever I just saved now, I just do a command S, I saved this in a file. So this file is being saved, but this content, I mean the browser is actually consuming from this file. Yes, that's how it works, but it consumes and interprets. So how will the browser know that you have made a change in this file? So for that you have to refresh. So only when you refresh, it is going to pick up from this file again. So read that file again, interpret that file again. So that's how the browser works. So you could use editor of your choice, an IDE of your choice, preferably Visual Studio Code, Notepad, TextEdit, or Notepad++. So anything which is certified IDE. So this is how you practice, and this is the best environment. Don't go and try in any other interpreters in the browsers. I mean, like many websites actually provide editor to see the changes happening, but this is the best and the native and the pure form to work it out. So this is how you should practice.